Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are downstairs in my new grow room, my new grow tent down here, where I have recently hooked up the Mars Hydro 192 light, which is up there and running right now. And I wanted to just do a quick little tour and update for you guys and show you a few things in here. So we're going to go in while the light is running. It is just running on grow mode right now, which makes it a little bluer and makes it a little less wattage. I've just been running it mainly on the lower wattage on the grow mode, not the bloom mode, because the plants are just doing so well anyways. But yeah, eventually I think I'll up it to the bloom mode. But for now, let's just go in and have a look around. It is just getting set up, so there's not tons in here. This is my smallest grow area, so I use it for my smallest plants basically. But check this out. So this is a Mars Hydro light, and these guys sent me some Mars Hydro glasses, so that's pretty cool, and I'm excited about that because it was like really bright in here. And although the camera shows it like way worse than it actually is, it was kind of bright in here. So put that down because the glasses aren't in there. Here are the glasses, and I'm just gonna unhook them from here. So there's the glasses. But you know what is cool? When I wear them, I can see true colors basically, or much truer colors. So then I was playing around with it, and this is just my seedling sundews here. I was playing around with it, and you know what? If I put the glasses on you, you guys can see truer colors. Look at this, it takes away all of the glare of the lights themselves. So with these Mars Hydro glasses, I can give you a tour in here with the lights on, and you can see like more of the true colors. It's still a little bit off, of course, but now you're viewing it through the Mars Hydro glasses. So you can see some Alice sundews there, and some Capensis alba, and some seedling Alice sundews, some seedling Bonita. You know, it's not perfect, but it's something, right? A little tray of Utricularia sandersonii. These are little like the bunny ear Utricularia. I really like Utricularia this year. I don't know how the zoom feature is going to be with the camera is literally wearing the Mars Hydro glasses, right, to get the color. See? But yeah, they're cute little flowers. Some seedling Capensis. They still look kind of red. They're really red. Plants in here have gone crazy red with the new lights, so I'm really liking that. A little bit more Utricularia. Here is a Drosera Adelaide down here, and it's doing really well. It's in the tray furthest away from the light. What else is going on down here? Oh, this is my cephalotus pullings. These were leaf pullings I did. It's kind of let me switch this out. I'll switch the lens, see if we can get a bit true color a bit more. So yeah, these are my cephalotus little pullings, and they did pretty good. I think I counted like 50 or so pullings. The lenses isn't working perfectly anymore. Light was getting in. There we go. If I keep it like this, now you can kind of see them better. And yeah, so that's my cephalotus pullings. What else do we got over here? This Nepenthes went totally red. Redder than I like it to go, meaning the light is really intense for this plant. That is the true color. There's it without the glasses. So those were green, and now they're red like that. I put my variegated Nepenthes down here, and it did kind of burn a little bit as well with the variegation, so you can see the red on it. That is like the true color sort of the red. So it got a little bit strong. Hopefully it will adjust nicely to it. Yeah, a few more Nepenthes down here. Hookerina, Mirabilis, some of my Pinguiculas and stuff like that, all doing really well. A few little Cobra Lily seedlings, just starting to come up. Some date palms, and my plumerias. I left them outside overnight one night not too long ago, and they got really cold, and the leaves like died on them. And then my little pileas, I think they're called, Chinese money plants. I put a couple of them from the greenhouse in here. Man, they really got dark with the light. I brought them in from the greenhouse because they were all kind of washed out in yellow, and now they're like a nice green. And again, you can't The green you see is about what the green I'm seeing is as well. Down here is a few pullings and some ventricosa, stuff like that. Hirsuta is way down there in the corner. Hirsuta is like, don't like the light. You can see I'm getting smaller leaves again down here, and a few little burns from it. This thing grows in the deep shade, so the more light you have, the smaller the leaves are. It starts getting these big leaves, and now I'm getting tiny leaves again, so I might have to drop it down a shelf. But anyways, and my red begonia. That is actually that color red. It's red and black. Still kind of shows the same red and black. But yeah. So that is a quick tour, quick update. Oh, we had one question about temperature down here. And I'm not going to do many stats today, but with this unit sealed, the temperature is 76.2 Fahrenheit inside of the tent on the lower setting. Remember I said we're just on the grow mode, not the bloom mode? So if I turn the bloom mode on, which throws in another 100 and change watts, this goes up to about 78 to 80 Fahrenheit. But all in all, it's not warm in here. It's not hot in here anyways. It's not like unbearable. If anything, I wouldn't want it much colder than this. So yeah, this light doesn't throw off much heat at all. It's really good for in here. And that's really going to be the only technical info I give you this time. But my plants definitely can feel the difference in the light. There's a bit of adjustments because it's like so bright. And yeah, we'll do another tour. We'll do another tour soon. And on that tour, what I'm going to do is actually go through some of the stats with you. And we'll see like what the foot candles are and the par and stuff like that. And do some measurements of this light. But for now, it will just stay blazing above my head. That's the Mars Hydro light. And my awesome new Mars Hydro glasses that correct the color. And I guess it's also better for your eyes because there's some UV in the light as well. So good to protect my eyes. And yeah, it was just a cool bonus that it picks it up on camera and I can give you a bit more of a tour. So I hope you like this update. And stay tuned for more updates on this light and the progression of this grow room now. I have so much space in here and winter is coming and I can start to really fill it up. With these old lights gone now and they're not hanging in our face, there's just so much more room. It really feels like it's empty now as opposed to full. So that's awesome too. And anyways, thanks guys. We will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.